Hello, this is the mass. We are still on the topic, number bases. And our subtopic today is changing from one base to another. So unlike we changing from base 10 to other bases or other bases to base 10, today we are coming to change from one base to another. For example, we can change from base 5 to base 6. We can change from base 8 to base 2. So that's what we are coming to look at today. Let's take an example. You know that always when we take example, you know that always when we take example, that's when I explain better for you to understand the topic. Let's get into it. So our first example is for us to convert 305 base 8 to base 6. Solution. Before you can change from one base to another, you need to know the steps involved. So this involve one. Let me write steps. First, change so the first one, change the number to base 10. Then the second one, change from base 10 to the required base. So we have to change this figure 305 base 8 to base 10 before. So this will give us 3 multiplying the base 8 and its position when we count 0, 1, 2, exponent 2 plus 0 multiplying base 8 exponent 1 plus 5 multiplying base 8 exponent 0. This will be equal to gs 3, 8 exponent 2 give us 64 plus this one will give us 0. 8 exponent 1 is 8 multiplying 0 0 plus any number exponent 0 is 1. So 1 multiplying 5 5. This will give us 192 plus 5, which will be equal to 197 base 10. So that's 305 base 8 is equal to 197 base 10. So we are done with the first step. So we are now going to the second step. The second step says that we should change from base 10. Now we have gotten it in base 10. We should change it from base 10 to the required base. And the required base here is base 6. So we are changing to base 6. So we are changing from base 10 to other bases like base 6 like this. We write the base, the number, and the remainder. You rule your line neatly. So the required base we are changing to is base 6. and the number given to us is 197 in base 10. So you ask yourself, how many times was 6 going to 197? 6 will go into 197 32 times, remainder 5. And 6, the base 6 will go into 32 5 times, remainder 2. 6 cannot go into 5, so 0, remainder 5. Now we have also converted from base 10, that's 197 base 10, to base 6. So let's write that one. We take the figures upwards from the base, so 5 to 5 in base 6. So 197 base 10 will be equal to 525 base 6. Our final answer, that's the series should change 305 in base 8 to base 10. So it will be equal to 525 base 6. So when you convert 305 in base 8 to base 6, we get 525 base 6. Thank you. This is the math. Follow us to our next example and you'll get more insight